In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Chevron Texaco Rewards Plus at the pump. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so download and set up the app. So install the Chevron or Texaco app on your smartphone, create an account and link a payment method. This can be a credit, debit card, etc. Then enable location services, so ensure your phone's location services are turned on to find nearby participation stations. And then arrive at participating stations, so look for signs indicating mobile payment acceptance. Now what you need to do is open the app and select fuel up, so choose your pump number and confirm your payment method. Now if you have available rewards, the app will prompt you to apply them for a fuel discount. Then authorize payments, so use your PIN or biometric authentication to authorize the payment. Then once authorized, the pump will be activated and then you can start fueling up your car. Then from here, you'll receive a digital receipt. So a receipt will be available in the app for your records.